mechanized tunnel is the use of tunnel boring machines or any equipment which does full face excavation with the help of machinery. We typically use these tunnel boring machines, which are specially customized for every project, and mainly using a cutter head and a rotating cutter head to excavate ground. Depending on the geological conditions, it will be used segmental lining behind the TBMs, or as well shotcrete, or in the best conditions it will have no lining at all. So the TBMs can actually adapt to a lot of different geologies. It is for sure not the most used technology, because there are many short tunnels where the use of this large tunnel boring equipment will not make sense, because it's just too time consuming and too expensive to bring it to site and start it. But for any tunnels, in longer tunnels, for any tunnels in very specific geological conditions, you don't have any different option. And so it is a very versatile tunneling technique, and it has a certain percentage in the market, which is, I would say, about 30% of the whole industry. But that takes then into account all different other tunnels as well. It depends where the advantages are. The advantages are not specific to just the TBMs per se. It's that it is the tool to excavate long tunnels or tunnels in very difficult ground conditions. That's where the, let's say, the possibilities are with the TBM, and it's not that much about to convince that it is nice to use, because normally there are hard facts which then make the decision what type of technology will be used. There's definitely already influence in that. We have, especially in the tunnel boring machines, which are platforms, or which are platforms for various technologies. So you have there, it's a melting point of chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, geotechnical engineering, civil engineering, hydraulics, everything, computers. So you have there all technologies in a very dense environment. So the computer technology is there since long time, and is probably the spare point there in the tunneling industry when it comes to technology development. Do we receive a lot of influence already from 4.0? I would say we just are about starting it. The thing is, compared to other tunneling branches, it is more difficult, because we are tunneling in a natural ground, so it's very difficult to describe a natural ground in a digital way, and that brings a lot of problems which then have to be solved, which is time consuming and takes a lot to implement. So we are there, we are at the brink, but we are not yet where we want to be. Well, definitely will, because of we will see I would say in the near future, we will see remote control TBMs, which is already a possibility right now, technology-wise. We will see many more developments in visualization. We will see virtual reality inside the tunnels. So there's a lot of things as well, big data development, big data operations there. So we will see, yes, we will see it very soon, even in the tunneling industry.